Hi, dear investors and Homely members. Nice to see you in this special morning. This is MG from HomilyChart. So, reason I opened this small video, this micro video, because recently there's a lot of investors want to diagnose their share. So, they also in my broadcast list. Okay, broadcast list here. So you know that I have for wing before market open in Malaysia. So have so many groups here. Actually, it's not a group. It's kind of broadcast. If you save my number, then you can receive the message how to say I shared with you every day. Okay, so got many investors got many investors in this broadcast and they want to diagnose the share and kind of busy, so that's why I opened this a micro video to diagnose it for you. So I will diagnose 7 people. Already write the name here, okay, because they got a lot of shares want to diagnose this. Okay, let's go move on. This is a disclaimer, so this video is purely for study and discussion, only for reference. Any direct or indirect or suffered by any person as a result of reliance on this video shall not be responsible. Okay, let's check about the first investor. Her name is Mr. Aslan. Mr. Aslan here. I think this one. Okay, so I will check the shares here. Okay, here. This is the shares he want to diagnose. He said, I got many stocks got stuck in the share market, so many. So we will take a look here, a bit of here. So for example, the first one, 5238. Okay, 5238. 5238. Okay, so this share, because he mentioned that he's got stuck in the share market for a long time. So I guess he bought bought a long time ago, but I didn't ask him what's the entry price. So we just take a look here. I will use the homely indicator to diagnosis. So the first one, we can see that is this a strong share or not. So first thing, we can go to the longer term to check if it's still safe or not. Actually, you can see longer term is in downtrend. Recently have a little bit rebound, got around 2% bankers here. So we know that bankers is always an essence energy in the market, which can push up the price. If no big funds inside, actually the price will also not move. So this is a very important element. So in the long term, we know that this share is still in downtrend and just now is only a rebound, right? With very small bankers, but short term, when we talk about its rebound, so we know that this is very small rebound, and with the bankers here, the red tips is the bankers. But if you don't know this indicator, is if you're a new member, new investors, actually you know. Okay, I will give for you a brief introduction. The red tips is represents the profitable tips. Actually, is the bankers in the share market, and then the green tips is their locked retailer, means people who lose money, because most of the people who lose money is their retailer, so that's why it represents the retailer. And then the yellow one is their hot money, what do we call it, is the speculator. Speculator which moves very fast in the share market. They make fast money and they do short term, and generally speaking they are kind of full-time trader and the kind of expert trader in short term. They are good at the tactical analysis. They're good at all the charting things. So you know, if you also want to do intraday player, the tactical analysis is a basic. You need to master. Okay, so short term, you can see only a small bankers around 17. Here is the data around 17. So means that you have the chance to make money, but not big, because the bankers lead 50%, then you can make stable and a continuous money in the share market. So now you can only make small profit. And as we considered, as we analyzed in the long term, actually it's just rebound, right? Because sometimes you cannot see where you are if you stare too close. So that's why we need to take a long term first. Stay a little bit difference, okay, distance between the in front of their closest price. That's why I choose the weekly chart or monthly chart to check the long term so that you can know where you are. So this is considering it's a rebound, and we use another method, another indicator means homely rainbow. This homely rainbow is a very good indicator to tell you the direction. So as we said, the white line is a how to say is a very important line to decide this share is bullish share or bearish share. So if the candlestick stand below the white line, of course you can call it a bearish share, no problem. So any increase, any rally below the white line, we can just call it a rebound. It's not a bullish share. Okay, so if you compare to another one, for example, this one another share, okay, the price stand above the white lines, so it's of course a bullish share, right? So that's the difference. So then let's get back, okay, to this share. Now it's still below the white line, and actually the white line will also give resistance to the price. So you see, first time it get resistance, the second time also get resistance here. So you know the difference, right? You know the difference here. And you know it's still not very strong. You can only make small profits in this rebound. Okay, so you tell me, okay, I want to do short term, no problem. Then you use this second one, we call it deviation expert, to find your entry point and exit point. So okay, actually the red bar is the money inflow, and the green bar is we can call it money outflow. So every time when the green bar turns to red bar is your short-term entry point, and then reverse on the contrary. The red bar turns to green bar is your sell point. Okay, it's a sell point. So if you want to buy, okay, the first time here, actually, when you buy, you can always use the MCD, the multicolored dragons. I mean the banker chips to double confirm your buy point. So when this buy point appeared, we can see the banker's chips. Okay, this is the data. We can see their banker's value is a 1.699%, means a little bit. Okay, it's not much, but the good thing is that before there's no banker chips, but now got a little bit. So actually can basically some level to some degree, it can help double confirm your buy point. But of course, you can only buy very small portion because it's still very aggressive, very dangerous area. Okay, so if you missed this one, the second buy point is here when the green bar turns to red. And here, the bankers is already 36%. So your successful is higher. Your become more safer. Okay, so you can buy here short term, and then the red bar turns to green, you sell again. Okay, so this is the next one. So we can see if this time you do short term from here, okay, here and to here, okay, 7 days, 57%, okay, and then next time is here, okay, buy point and sell point here, we buy here, and then we sell here, 10 days, 10%, 10.5%, okay, very small profit, yeah, very small profit. Okay, so now if you still have it, but I think this investor bought before in very high area. If he bought around here, of course he make money because he bought before, that's why. So if you still have this one, my suggestion is that you follow the indicator, and if it, but now it's green color means no chance, right? Here when the red turn to green is a sell point, and now if you didn't sell it, okay, you can wait when it turn to red, and then red turn to green means the rebound finish, then you can take you can cut loss, okay, and then you choose another strong share because you always have strong shares, okay, you can build the strong shares with this software. If you have other strong shares, so this is kind of snow shares, no need to wait for longer time because we always want to make our capital more efficiently, okay, no matter in short term or long term, okay. Okay, because of the time, I will diagnose this one share for you. Okay, the second one, the second investor is the second investor, sorry, the second investor is Stephen Lloyd. Okay, I think Stephen Lloyd. Okay. Stephen Lloyd asked many questions, and we just choose one of them shares. For example, M3 Tech. Okay, M3 Tech. You want to check M3 Tech. So now we go to the M3 Tech. M3 Tech. Okay, 0017. M3 Tech. I don't know if you bought it or not. Okay, where's my pen? So we can see this one also from longer term first. From longer term is also in downtrend, right? It's also in downtrend. And so far we can see also a kind of rebound. But there is a good thing is what? The good thing is that actually there is a wave pattern here, okay? Sorry, the Elliott wave, okay? One, and then two, three, four, five waves in downtrend finished already. So actually, if the bankers can also continuous inflow, then there is a B, C pattern in the following. So it's a very good, how to say, it's a kind of a bottom area, but sometimes the pattern have the possibility to fail. That's why we always need the bankers to double confirm the pattern is successful or not. So we can see this is very good point of the uptrend of a start point. Okay, and at the same time we can see in this quarterly chart. This is quarterly chart. Also have around 5% bankers. This is a good sign, right? Good sign. Then we go to the daily chart. So daily chart already have a very strong rebound. And if we call out the rainbow, we can see also break up the white line already. So very good one. But the point is that so far this share is not so active, only not so active. So this is a problem. And the bankers in daily chart only 41%, not bad, but so far just a little bit, how to say, just a little bit inactive, right? Inactive. So if you want to buy, this is the first buy point, and then sell here, then buy back here. But if you do medium long term, you can just buy when the price break up the white line, right? Break up the white line, you buy. Till now, we can just calculate a medium long term, 33 days, you have 44% already. But if you do short term, you can buy from here. When the green bar turns to red bar, buy here, and then you sell here. So 21 days, 100%. Not bad, right? Not bad. But so far, we know the pattern is good, and then the trend is good. Also have bankers, but very close to 50%. Is better than none. So actually, it's not bad one. The only thing not so good is that the volatility. Okay, the volume is not so strong, not so high. Because we take a look about the turnover rate, it's only 0.3%. 0.3 is not so active. At least 3% is better. So this is Stephen Lloyd. Okay, next one is retro. Okay, next one is retro on. Retro. Okay. Retro asked a lot of questions, and but I need to. I already find the one for you. Amelius. Okay. Eucharist. He asked me Eucharist. Eucharist. Okay, we just go to the Eucharist. Retro asked this one. Eucharist. So Eucharist, also the trend is not bad. Okay, the trend is not bad. We can also take a look about the longer term first. So this is a monthly chart. And then also we take the quarterly charts like this one. Actually, the trend is not bad, right? The trend okay. The trend okay. And also, their bankers is around, how to say, little bit decreasing, not so strong, but still have some. Okay, this is the strong rebound. Okay, strong rebound after get the support of the uptrend line. and now still have some space. Okay, longer term, no big problem. Then the short term, you also break up the white line, and now it gets support by the white line. Okay, so far not bad, but the bank is not so strong. So this one is active. I think it's very active, 10%, right? Turnover rate is 10%, no bad. And then the thing is that it's not so stable in longer term because bankers are less than 50%, but short term, no problem. How to do short term? Short term, we can go to here. Okay, this is the first buy point, but there is no bankers double confirm, so we give up. We can buy here. Okay, when we buy here, the green bar turn to red bar, bankers already in, so we can buy here, and then we sell here to short term. Sorry, let's calculate. Buy here and then sell here. So 13%, 13 days, 100% of one time, only 13 trading days, less than 1 month, very good one. The other time are here, right here. But here now, the bank is not so strong. So here maybe you don't make money, you don't lose money, 5 days, 6%, very small percent, right? But here also got some chance. This share can only have bigger chance if the bankers can inflow again. So far, it's a little bit decreasing. I think it's the hot money. Okay, the yellow chips is 48%, almost 50%. So that's why the share is a little bit volatility. So you can do short term, then you can make the most use of your capital. Otherwise, long term, a little bit slowly, right? A little bit slowly. Otherwise, you choose a stronger share, right? Stronger share. For example, this is also strong share, right? More than 50% already. This is a 0010 Iris, right? Iris. When we talk about Iris, I think other member or other investor also asked me this one. Sorry, I didn't remember which one. Okay, next one, Steven one. He asked me 5210, 5216. Data Sonic. Okay, Data Sonic. We go to the longer term. Actually, is also not so bad. But one thing is that in longer term, we can know the previous high is 2.02. Current price is 151. So you know the space, okay, your profit space. But if we can break up the previous high, you still got more chance. And now the bank is still highly controlled. And then daily chart, okay, this is daily chart. Rainbow stand stand above the white line, very good. And the bank is also fully controlled, so it's very healthy. Okay, you still can hold it if you have this one. And the 4 days ago, means last Monday have buy point. Okay, have buy points, still can hold it. So let's take a look about today's one. Today's a little bit shaken. Today is downward a little bit, but it's a lot more correction. So if you have this one, still can have it. But if you don't have, you can wait for another buy chance. Okay. So where is the other buy chance? You can wait when the bar turns to green and then green turn to red. You can buy. So always the first red bar is the buy point. But if you do short term, I mean the intraday, you can use the 60-minute chart, 30-minute chart to buy, right? For example, this is the 30-minute chart actually have a buy point because the green bar turns to red already. This is a short-term buy point. Okay, so this is three we analyze from these three investors counters. Okay, so if you also want to get the diagnose your shares with Homely software, no problem. You can always contact me, and the way is send your name. Okay, send your name to 011 1652 and 7962. Okay, send your name and your shares code number to 011 1652 7962. And I will diagnose your share. I only diagnose the share who WhatsApp me this one because many diagnoses, many people want to know. Okay, so you can do it like this one. So later on, I will also open this video to diagnose for all of you. Okay, so hope today's video have a little bit benefit for you. And if you still you want to diagnose more, you can just WhatsApp me, and we'll see you soon. Okay, and in the later days, I will try to open this live diagnosis every trading day in the morning. So if you want to see, okay, you want to check and you want to receive the news, the live stream, live video news, you can, first thing you can send me the WhatsApp, send the WhatsApp to me. I will send to your WhatsApp. The second thing, you can subscribe my YouTube. My YouTube is Homely MG Lee. Okay, you can subscribe my YouTube. Then I will put my live in my YouTube at the same time, so you can not miss it. But if you want to diagnose your share, better send me your share. Then I will put your share in the videos. Okay, send your name and the shares code number to 011 1652 and the 7962. Okay, so so today, that's all for today. And any question, you can also leave comments. I will reply you as always. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.